Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with my 2020 update of the waves, man. I know y'all been missing it. Y'all know y'all been waiting for me to update in 2020, and that's what I'm gonna do for y'all. So stay tuned. Of course, before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and share the video. I much appreciate it. Let's get into these ways, man. Let's see what we doing. Let's see what we talking about in 2020, man. So I just left the barbershop want to say about a few hours ago. Got a fresh lineup and everything. I had a cut. Definitely shout out to everyone that came down to the hair show that we just had back maybe about 2-3 weeks ago. We just had the hair show. Man, we just had a big blast with all the waivers that came from all over. Shout out to all y'all, man. They showed me love. They showed me the respect. They just showed me how it is in the wave game, really, man. It's all about embracing each other and helping each other get to the next level and just motivating and uplifting, man. That's what we're supposed to be doing all the time. And I'm talking about guys from all the wave pages, Instagram, stuff like that. If you ain't on the wave pages, man, you missing out on really trying to get your waves to the next level. Because that's how I really learned how to get my waves to the next level. I've been doing this since I was like 11 years old, and now I'm doing it on a different platform. Doing it on a different level. I've had many patterns and stuff like that. And it's all thanks to the pages and waivers that came before me and everyone that I looked up to when it came to getting they waves on point, man. But yeah, ultimately, shout out to the wave pages for that, and shout out to everyone that's just killing it, man. If you don't know about the wave pages, you really need to know about them. I'm on a few. I know I'm on Elite Spins. I know Jeezy talked about it on one of his videos, but I'm on Elite Spins. I'm on Royal Elites, Brush Connections, Waves Are Life, which is good. Man, it's so many wave pages. Natural Elites, of course. You know, that's PB, that's Pop's page. So definitely, man. Shout out to all the pages and the other pages too that I'm a part of. Shout out to y'all as well, the up and coming ones. Other than that, man, let me not just hold y'all any longer. Let's go ahead and unrag and see what the waves looking like.
This is a Chuki beat production. This is a Chuki beat production.
All right, man. So pretty much that was your update right there. I know I got a lot that I still need to work on. I know I need to work on my crown still. I need to work on my right front side, a little bit in the back and area, things like that. Do want to let y'all know what I have going on. So you got to understand that I came from 3 patterns. Well, not necessarily patterns, but I've came from like 3 hairstyles I was rocking this last year. And it's been a transition, and I'm just making these moves and these strides, and I'm gonna let y'all know what y'all really need to do if you're trying to get to the next level. It's really easy. So of course y'all know when I came back from the 720s, I was like, man, I'm just gonna do the 180s. I'm gonna be like, man, whatever. I don't want to do all them waves anymore. I've done the patterns, I've done all this, I've done all that. I'm just gonna do the 180s, right? Well, that didn't go so well because I didn't for a while. I was doing the 180s and then I didn't like it. Like I just started not liking having my waves on the side, and I just felt naked. Ain't gonna lie, I just felt really naked when it came to the way not having my waves on the side. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a drop fade. I'm gonna see what a drop fade feels like, having a little bit of waves on the side and it's really faded, but still able to come down and brush a little bit on the sides and the back area and things like that. And I still felt like I was cheating. I still felt like I wasn't doing the whole full potential of what I could really do. So I was like, man, forget it. Yo, I just told my barber, just like, yo, bro, just go ahead and hit me with a temp fade or a little tiny fade on the front, man. Let's get these waves back all the way on the sides, all the way in the back, and we're gonna go from there. And that's pretty much it, man. That's where we at. So 2020, man, we got full waves in 2020, baby. You know, we doing the thing in 2020. That's how I look at it, basically. So do want to give a special shout out to my barber too. If you don't know who he is, Josh X the Barber, or Josh the Barber, man. This dude is so dope, dog. Like he, I go to him weekly to get a haircut. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I get my lineup straight because my hair grows so fast. But man, I'm talking about a young entrepreneur. Like this guy he just graduated high school, just got his barber license, man, and he is killing it. Like he's dope. He's got dope hands, man. He's dope with the clippers. You know, Jeezy gave him an A+ rating with his haircuts, you know what I'm saying? He was the first one he did that for when he was doing this whole, you know, rate the haircut type thing. And to have him as my barber is really a blessing in disguise, man. Y'all just don't know. Trying to find a barber in a city that's not really a major city, it can be a little challenging. You know, you don't have a lot of dope barbers in small areas, you know. So getting that opportunity to get someone that is dope as him in our city, you know, in Tennessee is really great. But man, this guy is amazing what he does with the clippers, man. And just shout out to him. He actually is on YouTube now, and he's a big YouTube waver. I mean, not waver, but a YouTube barber. He's a big YouTube barber right now. I think he got a video right now with me on it, and that thing is over 70,000, 70K views, man, because you get to see me cut off my 7-month wolf and try to work on some things with my waves. But when he cuts it off, he knows how to cut on a waver. He knows what he's doing. He's lining me up and everything. We're not doing all those enhancements. We ain't got to do none of that, man. I'm telling you, man, this guy is really cool. Shoot over. I'm gonna put his information down in the description below. But definitely shoot over to his YouTube and give him a shout out. You know what I'm saying? Like his stuff, comment, share, do whatever you need to do. Other than that, man, I'm gonna be trying to bring out another video next week. I'm about to go watch this. What fight is that? About to go get ready to watch this Wilder and Fury fight. Go grab me something to eat. Watch it with a group of people, and we're gonna do a reaction video to the Fury, the Wilder Fury fight, man. We're gonna do a reaction video. We're gonna see what we think about it. And also, man, I do got another video I'm gonna talk to y'all about how you should be wearing your do-rags, or we could be talking about what products you really should be using for your hair. Other than that, man, it's been a pleasure to bring you another video, another wave update, all of that. Again, like, comment, share the video, and make sure you definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely more coming. I see y'all next week. It is your boy HB. 3. I'm out of here.